Hello. Hi guys, it's Kelly and you are welcome back to our channel. So guys, I am very glad to see you here, and today I am gonna show you how I have painted Ma Durga. Obviously it will be step by step. I am gonna show you how I have painted Ma Durga by using some geometrical shapes. So basically it's going to be an abstract painting. And to make this really simple and easy, I will describe each and every process to you. And also, I have tried to use only very few colors and brushes so that you can get it easily in your home. And always I will try to use minimal things so that you can create that art piece easily. And of course, I will show you what exact things you will need to make this whole art piece. So just relax and try this out. And yes, if you like this video, then don't forget to like this video, do a comment, and please subscribe this channel. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell icon. Now see, here I have got my canvas, so without any further ado, let's get started. By using this cutter, I will remove the wrapper on the canvas. So canvas has been opened up. Now I need one regular scale and one regular pencil. Whatever you have, you can use one scale and one pencil. And then you have to do some line. Okay, you have to do some straight line so that you can get a rough measurement of where you will paint, where will be the body, where will be the face of Ma Durga. Okay, for that reason only we will use scale and pencil for the rough measurement, or you can say how you can get a rough measurement of your painting.
So by using the scale, first of all I am marking one line at 4.9 cm, then at 11.9 cm, and then 19 cm. Actually I have the thought to draw Ma Durga and paint that, but I didn't think that I will draw one abstract painting. But recently I have watched one YouTube video of Design Palette. She has been drawn this type of abstract painting Ma Durga. From inspiring that painting, I have done this. Okay, so she has done only the face part of Durga, but here I am doing the whole body portion of Durga. I will put that video link in my description box. If you want, you can also watch that. So as you can see here, I have drawn so many straight lines by using scale and pencil, and I think you can understand that the first portion or the first boxes I have drawn here to draw the face of Ma Durga. Okay, and then the second boxes I have drawn for the body portion where I will draw the clothes and hands of Ma Durga and some jewelries also, and then the third part I will put legs and feet, and in the fourth section I will draw one buffalo. Okay.
Now straight lines drawing also done. Now next thing what we will do, we will draw in between the boxes which I have created by using scale and pencil. In that small box we will draw. Okay, what we will draw? In the face section we will draw hair, nose, lips and the crown of Ma Durga, and in the body section we have to draw hands, legs.
This one will be face, this one will be body, this also feet, and last one will be buffalo. Okay, so like that I am drawing the hair of Ma Durga. Okay, now after the hair drawing I will draw the eyes. Eyes will be same as the previous painting, you can see here. So same will be the eyes I am drawing here, you can watch also. When you will draw eyes, make sure that two eyes will be identical. Okay, maybe sometime it can't be identical, but still you have to try to make them identical, otherwise it will not look that much good. Okay, so you can use scale also. By using same line you can draw your eyes identical of this Ma Durga painting, and whenever eyes will be completed, that time I am drawing here nose and then lips. Okay, now you can see here I am trying to equal all the eyes and I will draw eyeball. Okay, this eyeball will also be in the same line. Now I am drawing the third eye of Ma Durga, and this is a small bindi. Okay, now it's okay. Then we will go to make the crown. So here I am drawing the crown part, and it will be very much easy. Okay, I will not put any difficult things here. It will be very much easy, so that you guys can also do it very much easily. There will be no tough things or no tough drawing that you can't. Okay, it's very much easy painting, and obviously you can know that abstract painting is very much easy for everyone if you try it. If you try it, definitely you can. Now it's time to make the earrings. So this earring will also be same in both sides. What I mean that the size of the earring will be same for the both ears. Okay, whenever this eyes, ears and earring portion will be done, now I am doing hands. So Ma Durga have 10 hands. Here I will do in the second portion 2 hands, and left there will be 8 hands. So these 8 hands will be here, and I am doing this like a circle, and then I will draw the 4 hands of each portion. Here I am drawing the necklace. Okay, so this will be the necklace of Ma Durga. Then I am trying to draw hands. As this is abstract painting, so obviously you can say that this is 2 hands of Ma Durga, and she is holding the Trishul. Okay, so like this only, these fingers will be like she is holding something. Okay, now I am drawing some jewelry of hands, and I have to fix all of them, and then in this portion I am drawing some jewelry also. So that's it. So guys, this is the 4th portion, or you can say last portion. Here I have already said you that this portion will be for buffalo. So first of all I am doing the horn portion of buffalo. Okay, so here it is, you can see same, it will be almost identical in both sides. Okay, then like this I am doing the leg portion of Ma Durga. Okay, so the leg portion will be on the horn of this buffalo. Now I am drawing the small eyes of buffalo, and here you can see how I am doing. Here it's the mouth portion, it's not looking so good. I will fix them up when I will paint. Okay, now ear portion will also be done. Then here buffalo also wearing some jewelry, so I am trying to make that jewelry also.
So now my painting part has been done. Now it's time to color. So to do some color, I will use some basic color. 6 basic color we all know: white, black, red, green, blue and yellow. By using these basic colors only, I will paint Ma Durga. Okay, and also I have used here 3 brushes. One is 000 brush, number 10, and another one is number 12. Okay, so we are using here only 3 type of brushes, and without this color and brushes also you need water and you need one palette. So here I will use my new wooden palette, which is a gift.
See guys, here I have taken all the color, brushes, palette and water. First of all I am taking yellow color here, and for the face of Ma Durga I am using yellow, and whenever I need some deep yellow color I am using a drop of red color with that yellow color, and I am using it as a shadow color of the skin of Ma Durga. Okay, and then this deep red I will use for the clothes of Ma Durga. You can see here in the clothes section only I am painting with that red color. Okay, then by using some black color with that red, I am doing the border portion of clothes, and I am doing some more details, more small details in the clothes. Okay, now I am mixing a bit of white color with yellow, and I am coloring the crown portion and all the jewelry portion of Ma Durga and buffalo also. Every jewelry first I will make a flat color of light yellow, and then I will make some highlight with deep yellow. Okay, now you can see here I am using this deep red color with yellow, and I am also doing the color of the cloth portion of Ma Durga. Okay, now you can see here I am just doing some small detailing, and by doing this type of detailing you can create your art piece a very much beautiful. Okay guys, so you can see here what I have told you, that after that I will use deep yellow color to make the highlight portion or to give some design of the jewelry of Ma Durga. Like that only I am doing here. And also we have to highlight and we have to design the necklace of Ma Durga. Like that only all jewelry will be highlighted. You can watch and enjoy some music. Okay, now for the cute small hands I am using red color for the highlight, and now it's time to color the hair portion. Here I am using deep black, and the eyes also I am using deep black and red color to make the eyes, eyeball and eyebrow. Okay, lips color also done, and I am using red color for the lips. Okay, now by mixing a drop of black color with red, I am doing the border portion of the body of Ma Durga. You can see here how I am doing it.
Guys, please do subscribe to my channel and you will get more and more step-by-step tutorial of Ma Durga.
I am using a little white color for the highlight of the face of Ma Durga and the body highlighting. Now to color the buffalo, I am using red color, white color and with that a pinch of black color. Okay, now this color comes and then I am coloring whole buffalo. Okay, horn, ears and the face portion of buffalo. Then by using green color I will paint the body portion of buffalo, and then by using black color I will draw the eyes portion of buffalo, and then by using that black color only I am doing the border portion of everything. Okay. Here also by using a bit white color I am doing the highlight of everything on buffalo. Okay, So now the painting has been done and I am doing the highlighting of the jewelry of buffalo. Just think, here buffalo also can wear jewelry. As from the first I have used the dark color, so water was very much dirty, then I have taken one fresh water. Okay, so when you will go to the cool color from the dark color, then obviously you have to change the water if it looks like dirty. Okay, so now I am using blue color with white for the background. So our focus was to color Ma Durga. When it's completed, then our focus is to color the background by matching all the colors. Okay, so here I am doing the light blue color for the most close side of Ma Durga. I am using more lighter color. And whenever we will go to the border portion, that time we will use dark blue color. Okay, that's it only. Like this we will paint everything here. You can see I have used here dark blue color, and in the inner side I will use some white color and I will blend it with a number 10 brush. Okay, and whenever it will be done, that time I will use some dry brush to blend it properly. Okay. So background color has been properly done with blue color, with light blue and deep blue. Then by using black color I will draw the every line, and then I will give some shadow so that it will gives a vibes of 3D. Okay, so like that only I am doing, and where I need I will put some white color so that it will looks like a 3D painting. Okay, so that's it guys. If you like this video, then please do a like, and also let me know in the comment section if you like this or not. And also please subscribe this channel to get more and more step-by-step art tutorial. Thank you for watching. This is the artist problem. Whenever you will color something, your hands will also be painted. Now see guys how it's look.
Okay guys, so finally I am done with the abstract painting, and here is the final outcome, which looks absolutely beautiful. Just look at the piece, and I am quite happy after making it. I described every bit of the art just to guide all of you. So guys, please consider a like, comment and subscribe to this channel to get more and more step-by-step videos. So guys, be ready and try out this easy painting. And to get featured, post your recreation art in the Instagram by tagging me. My Instagram handle you will get in the description box. So we have come to the end of the video. If you want to watch another step-by-step colorful Durga painting, just click on the right side video and you will get that. Thank you for watching. Stay happy, stay safe, take care. See you soon in the next video.